आज हम करेंगे रिसोर्सेज एंड डेवलपमेंट के मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन। पहला क्वेश्चन है विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ कल्टीवेटेड वाटर लैंड। पहला है अनकल्टीवेटेड लैंड, ठीक है। कल्टीवेबल वेस्ट लैंड का पहला एग्जांपल क्या है? अनकल्टीवेटेड लैंड। खदार इज अ टाइप ऑफ अ एलुवियल सॉइल। द रिसोर्सेज ऑफ ओनरशिप आर all of the above. Resources planning is essential for sustainable existence. Which one of the following method is used to break up force of the wind? बताएं कौन सा? स्ट्रिप क्रॉपिंग। कौन सी क्रॉपिंग? स्ट्रिप क्रॉपिंग। ओके, अब आता है हमारा दूसरा टॉपिक। वेयर वर द फर्स्ट अर्थ समिट हेल्ड? बताएं। रियो डी जेनेरो। जियोथर्मल एनर्जी इन पूजा वैली एंड पार्वती वैली आर developed resources. Which soil is known as black cotton soil? Black soil. Land left without cultivation for one or less than one agriculture is called current fallow land. Resources which are surveyed and their quality and quantity have been determined for utilization are known developed resources. Which of the following is not a measure for soil conservation? That is overdrawing of underwater. Which of the following type of resources is iron ore? Non-renewable resources. Under which of the following types of resources can tidal energy be put? Replenishable. That's replenishable. Okay. Which one of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? Over irrigation. In which of the following state is terrace cultivation or practice? Uttaranchal. In which of the following states is black soil found? Gujarat. Which percentage of our land should be under forest cover according to the nation policy? 33%. Materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy human needs and human belongs to appropriate technology to help them are called stock. Indian territorial water extends up to a distance of 12 nautical miles. Resources that can take long geological time for their formation are called non-renewable sources. Area sown more than once in agriculture year plus net sown area is known as net sown area. The total degraded land in our country is 133 million hectares. Okay. In which of the following states mining has caused severe land degradation? Jharkhand. The main cause of land degradation in Punjab is over irrigation. Which of the most common soil of northern India? Alluvial soil. Red soil is mostly found in eastern and southern part. Red soil is reddish in color due to diffusion of iron. Which of the following is not important for soil formation? Duration of day. Black soil is also called Bangar. Black soils are common in Deccan Trip. Laterite soil is useful for growing tea, coffee. Black soil is deficient in phosphoric content. Which of the following soils have self-aeration? Black soil. Plowing among the contour lines, contour plowing. जल्दी से read कर ले. Land that is left uncultivated is called cultivated.